Alright, so another day of working on the Altima. You'll see the front wheels are on, but I still need to put the axle nut locks on and cotter pins. I'll probably be doing that tomorrow. Today I worked on the rear end and also installing the fuel sending unit into the gas tank, and that went really smooth. I was real happy with that. Now the gas gauge works again, so that's exciting stuff. I don't have to worry about my son running out of gas when he's driving around. But there was a screw up in my order. The driver's side rear strut that was mailed to me was bad. It kind of worked. It did look like it was new open box. It could have worked, but it didn't work as well, or even anywhere near as well as the passenger side, which you'll see I've already installed. The driver's side was just not responsive at all, but this one worked perfectly fine. It worked as expected for a new strut. Tomorrow morning I've got some Moog rear sway bars bushings that I'm going to be installing, and finish up a couple more things, but basically this is going to be on hold until next weekend when I get the driver's side strut so that I can finish that job up. I do need to pull the rear brakes and see what they look like, but if they have any pads at all and they're not just in terrible shape, I'm just going to leave them. The front brakes were replaced with brand new ceramic pads and brand new rotors. So this car's got good stopping, or it should have good stopping capabilities just from the front brakes. We did bleed all four brakes. The rear brakes were done today, and it was really bloody looking, really nasty stuff. So it needed to be done. We put synthetic type fluid in, so this car should be in much better shape brake wise. Well, that's it. This was the end of day 4, or day 5 I think it is actually. So I'll get to continue on this job tomorrow and next weekend.